Allison here with Curri Properties in Brevard County, Florida. I'm stood outside my latest listing, 124 Southeast 2nd Street in Satellite Beach. This 3-bed, 2-bath pool home is being completely renovated top to bottom. Just 1 block from the ocean, round the corner from the local park, and close to our A-rated schools, you do not want to miss your opportunity to snap up this beautiful beachside home. Come take a look. Vinyl plank flooring runs throughout the light and airy open-plan living space. The renovated kitchen features white shaker cabinets, granite countertops, and an island perfect for entertaining guests. The split floor plan allows you to escape to a spacious master bedroom with a beautifully renovated ensuite. Who wouldn't fall in love with this backyard? Whether you're entertaining guests on the deck or splashing with kids in the pool, this beautiful space has so much to offer. If you're looking for your little piece of paradise in Satellite Beach, give me a call today.